Thank you so much for coming by and checking out our beautiful upper 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment located at 1138 South Los Cienega. It's between Olympic and Pico on the east side of the street. And this building is a controlled access building, and the parking is reserved and gated. So this upper unit does have all hardwood floors, and I must say the hardwood floors are in impeccable condition, original. It does have a view that makes it an upper unit, and it does have a full kitchen with the gas stove and the fridge. This unit also has air conditioning in the bedroom, and since it is in the back of the building, it is very quiet and very low key. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me and I will respond as quickly as possible. We showed this by appointment only, and I set up all appointments via email. And yes, it is important that you see the place in person. So enjoy the rest of the video tour and have an awesome day.